Hey, squishy lovers! Ever wondered how the trendiest realistic chick squishies are made? Get ready for some squishy magic as we carefully pop on their adorable little eyes. A whole crew of chicks chilling in their tray, just waiting to be fabulous. It's so much fun, you won't want to miss a second. Let's dive into the delightful world of squishies. No words needed, just pure squishy joy. Alright, Squishy Squad, as we near the end, let's get real. Crafting these squishies isn't just a walk in the park. It's a full-on adventure that takes tons of time, energy, and a mountain of patience. For me, squishies are not just toys. They're epic little works of art. Whether you're a squishy aficionado or just dipping your toes into the DIY realm, unleash your creativity and let the squishy magic flow. That's the whole vibe behind momocheese. Thanks for hanging out, cuties. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun. Until next time, keep squishing.